first step to success often begins with unconditional trust and affirmation of oneself. However, in the face of challenges and setbacks in life, our self-confidence is often shaken. How to maintain self-confidence in adversity? True self-confidence does not come from external achievements, but from a deep understanding and acceptation of the essence of the self. So, how to awaken this self-confidence from the depths of our hearts and make it a strong pillar for us to face various challenges in life? Self-confidence comes from the understanding of the essence of the self, and this understanding is based on the inner wisdom and strength. Everyone has a source of infinite potential in their hearts, but it is often covered up by secular vision and their own doubts. When we can transcend these external constraints and look directly at the inner light, self-confidence naturally sprouts. The real power lies not in external achievements, but in inner peace and wisdom. When we understand and accept this, self-confidence is no longer an unreachable goal, but a part of our lives. Low tide is the norm in life, but it is not an insurmountable dilemma. In the face of low tide, we need not only external help, but also internal courage and wisdom. Through self-view, we can find inner strength, face difficulties bravely, and absorb the nutrients of growth from them. Every setback is an opportunity for growth, as long as we can look at it with wisdom. This understanding can not only help us get out of the low tide, but also help us maintain our inner stability and self-confidence in the face of future challenges. The power of self-admission. Real self-confidence comes from self-admission and love. When we can accept our shortcomings and no longer feel guilty of past mistakes, we can really start to love ourselves and draw infinite strength from them. This power can not only help us stay firm in difficulties, but also lead us towards inner peace and happiness. To accept everything about yourself is to accept everything in life. This kind of acceptation will become the most solid support for us in the face of the ups and downs of life. The establishment of self-confidence ultimately comes from the light and peace in the heart. When we can go beyond secular standards and the expectations of others and find our own intrinsic values and goals, we can truly experience the peace and joy in our hearts. This joy can not only help us maintain a positive attitude in life, but also make us still full of hope and strength in the face of difficulties. Inner peace is the ultimate self-confidence. When we can understand and practice this, self-confidence is no longer a short-term emotion, but an eternal power in life. The establishment of self-confidence often requires us to embark on a road to return to our true self. This road is not always smooth, but it is the only way to true inner peace and happiness. When we can transcend external shackles and return to the purest essence of our hearts, we can find real self-confidence and strength. To return to the true self is to return to the light. This kind of light will become a guide for us to move forward in the dark, helping us to maintain our inner firmness and confidence in the face of difficulties. The adversity in life is often an opportunity for us to grow and change. When we can look at adversity with wisdom and draw strength from it, we can truly build self-confidence that will not be shaken by the outside world. This kind of self-confidence comes from a deep understanding of the nature of life and a deep understanding of self-potential. Adversity is the source of wisdom and strength. When we can draw nutrients from adversity, self-confidence will become a strong line of defense in our lives, helping us resist all external difficulties and challenges.